Then we can discuss about program management. My name is Ganesh and YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. Now we can go into the subject of project management. Project management is the process of managing programs mapped to business objectives that improve organizational performance. Program managers oversee and coordinate the various projects and strategies, other strategic initiatives throughout an organization. What is program management with example? If Maggie is managing three related projects such as designing a new mattress, testing the new mattress and putting together a radio advertisement to introduce the new mattress, then she is fulfilling the role of program manager. Then what is program management skills? The program manager should have effective leadership, interpersonal and communication skills, the ability to command, respect, and to create a sense of community amongst the members of the project teams, and good knowledge of techniques for planning, monitoring, and controlling programs. What is program management role? Program managers are responsible for overseeing the achievement of larger organizational goals. They coordinate efforts between different projects without managing any one of them. Instead, they lead to the overall program with strong attention to strategy, implementation, and delegation. What is good program management? Develop knowledge and skills in others more effectively and effectively. But be a better team leader. Program manager should have be a better team leader. Uncover business problems or opportunities to create appropriate solutions. Communicate effectively with internal stakeholders, customers, and non-technical audiences. What is the difference between project and program management? The key differences is in the focus of management effort. Project management is focused on creating a deliverable as efficiently as possible. Program management is focused on maximizing the benefits realized by the organization. What is the difference between portfolio and program management? A program is a group of projects that what is that? A program is a group of projects that are similar or related to one another and which are often managed and coordinated as a group of instead of independently. A portfolio is a group of different programs and objects under projects within the same organization which may be related or unrelated to one another. This is the information regarding program management. Wishing you all the best.